Okay, this video is going to be looking at the G.I. Joe Classified Series Blaine Mainframe Parker figure. So, in order for you to get a good look at the box, we'll show you this side. Not really an action shot, but artist rendering or 3D rendering or whatever. Get a look at that side with the code that leads to nowhere, and all of these symbols showing what he is a expert in. We have this shot back here, and of course it shows you his, I guess, communications pack and his face. There's more there, all your mumbo jumbo there, and then you want to take a look at the bottom and get the barcode. It's right there. So let's open it and find out what we got. I have to open this bottom here. See if I can get it. Here we go. Any more? I don't think so. And let's take him out. So, let's take a look at the accessories first. So, we have a separate head that has his microphone headgear with, I guess, headphones. So, that way there. We have his computer, which I'm trying to, okay. So there we go. You can see that there. We have his communications backpack. We have a little knife. We have what I think is a cell phone, but I'm not quite sure. It might be a walkie-talkie too. It's got a little attachment there, which I think one of the cord goes on. I'm thinking this is another communications device. I'm not quite sure. I'm not really that up to date on mainframe, but there's the pistol. I'll show you the other side. Get this side there. There's that. And this is the one that goes on his head that's attached to the figure when you get it. There's that side. You can see the top. And then here's the cord. Okay, so let's take a look at Mainframe himself. I know a lot of people have complained about the one of the complaints is about his size being so small, but not every G.I. Joe can be big. Of course, they probably put this on the they reused the bottom part of Tunnel Rat, if I'm thinking right. I don't know. Let me know in the comments what it is. I'm not quite sure. So, we have the T-pose, which is good. Then we have neck all the way around. And that's about as far as he can look up and look down. And so arms go all the way around, and then we have that and that and back down. And of course I didn't get it all the way around. There we go. And now we can look at the elbow joint is there and there. Butterfly joint seems to be good too, there and there. Torso up and down, that's as far there, and that's as far there. And the thigh swivel is good there and there. And then we go to the Van Damme split. Looks like it's pretty much a full split. What else can we do? Well, I go that as far as the legs go out there. And we can go, oh boy, with that there, and that with the knee, and ooh, it seems that the, okay, there we go, right and left are both good. So I got that there. Oh, get this one back out, and we go thigh swivel. Thigh swivel's good. Thigh swivel's good. Calf swivel. Not really a calf swivel here, but we do have ankle rocker pretty good. And ankle rocker pretty good. Okay, so let's see. What else can we do on him? Well, we can show you this, which is not bad. I can also show you the other head attachment, which is probably what most of you are probably going to have them looking like, but I think I'm going to keep it with the normal hat. So it's, of course, a ball cap look, but I think I'm going to go with the classic look too, mainframe. But we'll just keep it on for the remainder of this video here. So the pistol looks like it has a holster with a strap over it. So I have that there, so we can put that in there like that. Which looks good. And then the knife goes over here. And I'm pretty sure that we have one of the, I'm supposing it's this, but I'm supposing it goes in this way. I'm not sure. Okay, so maybe it's not that, maybe it's this. Which it looks like it is. Yep, it is. Okay. So I'm assuming that this will be attached to the backpack part. So I'll put the little backpack in here. We'll find out where the cord goes. Okay, it looks like it goes up in there. So we have to put in the part that has the little thing on it. And which side? That side? No. Let's see if this side will go in. That's about as far as it wants to go in. It looks like this part comes out too. So let's see what it does. Or is it just made to look like that? I don't know. We'll find out. Let's see. My thumb can only get it to go so far. It looks like it's just made to look like that, but it doesn't actually come out. Because the other side looks sealed on. I'm not sure. Yep, I guess it is. So, that did not work very well. Well, let's see what this will go to. Which will it plug into? This end? Now see, that seems to plug in very well, but why will this not go into the backpack? The hole is not big enough. If we try a little harder, we can get it somewhat in there. a little bit of force. I didn't want to cause too much, but you have to put a little bit of pressure on it to get it to go. But anyways, you can see here he's got his little data pad, I'm assuming. And then I guess this goes in one of his hands. Maybe it's this way. No, it wouldn't work that way. It is this way. So I'm guessing it's like that. I don't know. It's kind of confusing. Let me look on the box. Okay, so the box is not that much help because it shows him holding his gun. His little cord and stuff isn't on there. I'm gonna have to check pictures of it, I guess, on by Googling it or whatever. But anyways, besides like not knowing where that goes, it's pretty much a solid figure. I mean, it doesn't have any tight joints, and it's a pretty solid figure. I'm not even that mad about the height. I mean, but of course, for people wanting to do their whole mainframe and Zarana hookup, I'm not sure, but Zarana may be taller than the mainframe figure. I'm not sure what they could really do for a retro look to mainframe, because it's pretty much this is the look of mainframe in the original line as far as I can remember, so it's not like there's that much they could do. Okay, I'm finding it a little bit difficult to put this on here, but I'm gonna say he's a solid 9. Not giving him a full 10, but a 9. Just because of the hang-up of not knowing where that little attachment goes from his backpack to his hand. Well, that's a bum too. So it gets shot down because I do not know which hand the computer goes in, and furthermore, it won't hold it anyway. So it went from a 9.5 to a 9. So I don't know. Well, I guess we'll forget that. So you tell me what you think about the figure, whether you like it or not. You like the height, or you PO'd about it, or what. And I'm pretty sure all my videos now have all my social media links that you can get a hold of me on or follow me on. And if you like the video, hit that thumbs up, and also hit that bell for notifications when I hit new videos up. And also, to be a subscriber, hit that little white button down there by my page icon. That'll lead you to my YouTube page. But other than that, I guess I'll be back with the next one. Thanks.